Whoa, this lighting. I think this is gonna be my new background here. Like, what's behind me, you don't know. Anyways, guys, this is episode 2 of, I don't even know what I was calling this, of me documenting it. It is currently Sunday morning, so like Saturday night, February 25th. It's 3 in the morning. This video is going to be out by 12 like this afternoon. So what is that, like 9 hours from now? I'm just up right now, just kind of doing my thing. I'm just getting shit done. I'm not even tired or anything. Slept until about like 8 on Saturday, so like I'm only like 3 hours ahead, but whatever, that doesn't matter, you guys don't care. Basically, I want to go over, just with this one, I kind of want to summarize what happened this week, and then I want to go over, I like to print shit out, my self-evaluation, just to see how it went this week. Basically, very, very good week. Basically, got a lot of networking done, built some really great relationships, worked a lot on my personal brand, got a lot done with my marketing agency, landed a client, and have some meetings coming up with potentially large clients, like potentially like game changing, but that's whatever. Took care of my health this week. It was a good week. So basically, I'm just gonna keep this raw because that's the way I want to keep these videos. I'm gonna go over my self-evaluation, see how I did. See, I don't know how I'm gonna do these videos yet. Bear with me. This is what we're gonna do. So, my social media marketing, my 3 main goals were learning, getting clients, and delivering results. So this week, I did a lot of learning. I did get a client, and I'm working on the game plan for delivering the results for that client, as well as planning for the meetings next week. So to me, that was really good. I'm not really gonna go in depth to everything else because that last video was really long, and this is where I am now. I keep it real. This is what I'm feeling with my personal brand. I kept up with my content. This is gonna be video number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is video number 5 of this week. We've put a video Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, took Friday off, took Saturday off, and put a video today. I hope I did 5. I'm pretty sure it's 5. I'm assuming it's 5. I wanted to do 6. I wanted to film a video for today, but didn't do it. But that's what I mean. Created 5 videos. I was doing 3 videos before. I did 1 video the week before, so I'm happy with that. Coaching, huge success. That was one of my main things right now. I got 2 coaching calls for tomorrow. I had 2 this week. And I have some coming up for the following weeks ahead, and some people that did a 3-month mentorship, which is starting beginning of March. Shout out to Mo, and then some other people who are looking into the 1-month coaching. So I'm happy. I'm helping people one-on-one. I'm changing some lives because that's what I'm here to do. Focus. This is serious. This is what I'm doing. This is my purpose. I'm changing lives. I want to help people. That's what I'm doing. I love this background. Now with affiliate marketing, finding a niche, running ads, and passive income, I must say I did not focus a lot on this. I didn't really find a niche or running ads or anything like that. But by using my personal brand, I did have some affiliate commissions this week. Nothing crazy, but of course it correlates directly with my personal brand, so anything I recommend, I directly believe. That's why there's a couple course recommendations in below. That's how I've been doing everything that I've been doing. I strongly believe in those. I had one of those go through, and I'm not here to plug you it. It's just I honestly feel it benefited me, it got me to where I am, so I recommend stuff like that. I'm not out here recommending you this box of matches or this water bottle because it's not that great. There's no point. It's like, yeah, you know what I mean? Any water bottle works, anything of matches works, but like, yeah. So honestly, I could have, self-evaluation, I could have done a lot better with affiliate marketing. I should have actually dedicated time. I was supposed to do it today, but a lot of stuff came up, and I got really just carried away with doing social media marketing, just learning as much as possible because I'm so excited for what's to come this week. Now with life, mindset, meditation, physical health, so yoga, gym, nutrition, being organized, reading, and goals. So mindset was really good this week, except for Friday. Had a little bit of a bad day, but got it better. Meditation, honestly slacked off a bit this week along with my reading. It's just my schedule is off. I stayed up late, didn't wake up on time, and with work and all that, it just didn't really work. But I'm opening up to it. I'm being honest. That is something I'm really going to be focusing on for the week coming up. I'm going over my goals again the day you're watching this. So like once I'm going to go take a nap probably in like an hour, for like an hour, and then wake up, but whatever. Physical health, went to the gym a lot this week. Could have been better, a little bit better on my nutrition. Working on it, work in progress. I'm a work in progress. Organized, and yeah, overall personal was good. Overall it was a really good week, but the big part that I did bold, which you guys saw on the screen at the bottom here, focus on myself for the next while, say no to others and say yes to myself first. There's a couple occasions where generally I would have said yes, but I did say no because I had shit to do, so I got the shit done. So I'm proud of that. So overall it was a really good week. Self-evaluation, a lot I could have improved on, but you go a couple things at a time. I'm gonna accept the positives. It was a lot to work on. I'm gonna accept the positives because they were positive. I'm going to be grateful for them. It was a good week. My negatives though, I'm not gonna doubt on them or be like this was bad, because it was a good week, but now I'm gonna really work on that and do that again for next week, because we're all about improving. And guys, must say, so my most recent post, check it out on Instagram, basically explain my story with social media marketing. I'm actually going to throw up the Instagram stories that I did. We'll let those play now. But basically, I was blown away by the support that I received. Like in the first 20 minutes, as you saw, 20 comments, and like just people saying I'm inspiring them and this is motivational, and I'm just blown away. So like, much love for everyone, and to me, that's changing it. Remember guys, it's all about having people, not just followers. Because yeah guys, I'm gonna cut this here. It's been like 7 minutes of me just talking, rambling on. You guys are probably sick and tired of my face. It's a little pretty, I think. But anyways guys, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video.